Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fade in and fade out audio on CapCut PC. So I have this video, let's see, actually let's just use a voice recording of this. So to fade in and out, you're just going to select this circle here and drag it to the right side to fade in. You also have this circle at the end of your audio to fade out. Or you can go to the basic side and fade in and fade out, and you can even type in the seconds you want to fade in and fade out your audio. Here I'll show you what it sounds like. My voice before and after it's muffled or whatever. Okay, and let me just adjust this so you can actually hear it fade in and out. My voice before and after it's muffled or whatever. As you can see, it faded out. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!